Are fats really responsible for making you fat and unhealthy? Are you sure? I hope this video will help you challenge this paradigm. Welcome back to our channel, your go-to source for cutting-edge health tips and wellness secrets. Today, we're diving into a hotly debated topic, sugar or fat, who is the real killer? Stay tuned, because what you're about to learn might just change the way you look at your diet forever. For decades, we've been told that fats are the enemy. But what if I told you that the low-fat diet craze has done more harm than good, and that it's actually sugar, not fat, that's wreaking havoc on our health? Let's start with fats. Our brains are composed of nearly 60% fat, and essential fatty acids are crucial for brain function. Research has shown that good fats, like those in olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, and even butter, support cognitive function, protect against neurological diseases, and keep our minds sharp. Unrefined fats, such as extra virgin olive oil and coconut oil, are packed with nutrients and antioxidants that reduce inflammation and support overall health. These fats are vital for absorbing fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. It's not the olive oil on your pasta or the butter on your bread that's bad for you. It's the pasta and the bread, the carbohydrates. That's the real culprit. Carbs and sugars spike your blood sugar levels, leading to inflammation, weight gain, and a host of chronic diseases. Sugar is the real villain here. High sugar intake has been linked to diabetes, obesity, heart disease, and even cognitive decline. It causes blood sugar spikes that lead to inflammation, accelerating the aging process and weakening our immune system. But why is sugar pushed as something good for us while fats are demonized? There's a hidden agenda at play. The food industry and certain health narratives have long promoted sugar-laden products, keeping us addicted and unhealthy. This keeps us reliant on doctors, medications, and a cycle of chronic illness. It's time to bust the myth. Low-fat diets often lead to increased sugar consumption, which is far more destructive. Healthy fats, on the other hand, are essential for our well-being. There are numerous studies on the benefits of fats for brain health. Studies showing a significant improvement in cognitive function among participants who followed the high-fat diet. Incorporating good fats into your diet can lead to better brain function, improved mood, and overall health. So, next time you reach for a low-fat product, think twice about what you're trading for it. Choose unrefined natural fats and cut back on the sugars and refined carbs. Thank you for watching. If you found this video eye-opening, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and wellness secrets.